longest running electric railway. This is Volk's electric railway from Brighton Marina all the way back into the heart of Brighton Palace Pier. See exactly what this is all about. Absolute vintage classic. The kink of the railroad here. Which way do we go? Left or right or straight on? Well, we've definitely picked the right day for it today. It's as warm as you could expect it to be in April. We have mostly clear blue skies. A bit of a breeze, but otherwise absolutely weather perfection for this time of year. Here we are. It's part of the famous Brighton Beach. Coaches, tour groups, not on board the train with us today. We've got this just with a handful of other people, pretty much all to ourselves. Mr. Volk, who created the railway back in the 19th century, was an engineer extraordinaire. This is quite a junction. Driver's eye view. It's like a comedy, Benny Hill sound. Oh, there's one coming the other way. Changing of the guard.
Halfway! This is halfway! Stay on this train for Aquarium Station. This is halfway station.
Another nice place for lunch. Say Brighton and Hove is absolutely full of them. It's passing the National Open Water Swimming Centre. Here, working our way up into top speed. And room again. What do we have here? More Brighton and home peculiarities, rather. Must be part of the old fishing centre. Bouncy section. Anyone for a zip line? Looks like it could be fun. Coming to the end of the line here. This is the main Brighton Pier in all its glory. Well, Aquarium Station. End of the line. And that was Volk's Electric Railway.